Ready for a challenge that builds real finger power? Let's turn simple objects upright using just one hand. You will need a smooth surface and small flat objects like a coin, button or eraser. A mirror or timer can make it even more fun. Ask your child to hold the object and rotate it within their fingers until it stands up on its edge. No help from the other hand. This rotation needs planning, pressure and control, all packed into one small movement. To make it easier, try chunkier items like thick erasers and let them rest their hand on the table. For a fun twist, use thinner coins or race against a timer. You can even do mirror play, copying your own hand's reflection. If your child has texture sensitivity, go for soft foam pieces or add a grippy glove for comfort. This tiny motion helps in everyday life, like turning puzzle pieces, flipping switches, or placing coins and tokens. One hand, one object, and a world of fine motor strength is at your child's fingertips.